Hello YouTube, welcome back to today's video. Check it out, new radio. Let's unbox it and see what we got inside. So I got myself a Yaesu FT2de DE handheld radio. This does a hell of a lot, this radio does. APRS, GPS, all that sort of stuff. Too much to go through in this video, so I'll link it into Yaesu's website below. You can have a read of it. And with mine, I got a free SHC 24 leather case. This come free from Martin Lynch & Sons. This is where I got this from. Let's open the box up. So in the box we get probably a reference card. We've got information about the rechargeable battery pack. This is now in a foreign language if you want to read it. So I've got the Yaesu limited warranty card. We got the instruction manual. This instruction manual is quite a thick manual there, you can see there, and it covers all what the receiver does. APRS, wires X, GPS, that sort of stuff. Too much to go through in this video. We've got a charger, and that's got a UK plug there, but if you're in a different country, got a two-prong plug there, and that just swaps over. We've got the antenna itself, standard UHF VHF antenna. We've got the belt clip. I think in there, that's something you put into the back of the receiver to stop the dirt getting in there. We've got a USB cable, mini USB to normal USB to mini USB. I think that might be the data cable, because you can actually plug it into the computer and do stuff on the computer. So hopefully there'll be something on Linux I can do with it. Got the radio itself, and we have the Yaesu battery. Now the radio itself it's only got a few buttons across the bottom there. Back, display, band, wires X, GM, AB and V/M, because this here is a touchscreen. And on the side there you've got your PTT switch, your tone in your monitor, so tone cool 1750 Hz, squelch, your power button. Top there you've got your antenna connection, your volume and a dial there. On the side you've got a DC extension in just to charge it, extension speaker and mic, your data cable, and a slot for a micro SD card in there. Now this will receive pictures, and you can take pictures with an optional camera microphone, and it will display them on the screen in black and white, which is here. However, when it takes a picture it will be in colour, and apparently I can download pictures off the repeaters and stuff, which I should be trying at some point. And good thing about the screen, it's a nice large touch screen. One thing that's always satisfying when we get something new is to peel off the protective plastic. And I will be getting at some point a screen protector, so I might soon go out to Poundland and cut it up. So this radio does a lot more than the average baofeng. This is just a bog standard Wouxun, Woxen, and we pronounce it, 2 meters and 4 meters. And this radio does a heck of a lot more. It's got GPS, APRS, which I think is some sort of messaging system. I'm still yet to find all that out, so it'll be interesting to learn. Getting started in APRS. Sure, I'll do a video on that at some point. I know the software for this to program won't work on my current machine, which is this one, because it's running Linux. Apparently this takes a CSV file. If that's the case, I can just upload the CSV file hopefully onto the memory card, and away I go. And I'll pull the CSV file off one of the baofengs I've got with about 50 odd repeaters in there. Now I'm not near any fusion repeaters. The local one, Well and Green, for some reason not operational, even though it is operational. So I'm going through a Raspberry Pi, so I can still hear people on this. So I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully in the next couple of videos you'll join me when we learn more about this radio. This is 2E0 IQJ 73s.